Welcome to Session 19, Area, Circles, Composite Figures, and Coverage. Area measures two-dimensional coverage and therefore uses square units. Formula selection depends on the figure and its perpendicular dimensions. Composite figures require a plan for adding joined pieces or subtracting cutouts. By the end, you will be able to do the following. Calculate area of rectangles, triangles, parallelograms, trapezoids, and circles. Identify perpendicular base height pairs. Decompose composite shapes and subtract openings. 3 ideas organize the lesson. First, area measures two-dimensional coverage in square units. Height is perpendicular to the selected base. Composite figures are added as pieces or subtracted as cutouts. Worked. Example 1. A trapezoid has bases 9 and 15 inches and height 6. Add the parallel bases, multiply by height, and take 1/2. The area is 72 square inches. Check. The average base is 12, and 12 times 6 is 72. Worked example 2. For a circle with radius 5 centimeters, square the radius before multiplying by pi. 3.14 times 25 is 78.5 square centimeters. Check. The area is less than the surrounding 10 by 10 square. Worked example 3. An L-shaped floor fits inside a 12 by 10 rectangle with a 4 by 3 corner removed. Subtract 12 square units from 120 to get 108 square units. Check. The result is exactly the cutout area below the bounding rectangle. Watch for this common error, using a slanted side as the height without checking for a right angle. Correction. Height is the perpendicular distance to the chosen base. Use this routine. Name the target and units, choose a relationship, calculate with clear steps, then estimate and verify. Shade the target region, decompose and label it, calculate each square unit contribution, combine the pieces, and compare with a bounding estimate. For more lessons and focused practice, visit bridge2exam.com.